Pero, a small bird, flies cautiously through the forest, intent on gathering food. Pero gathers grains, avoiding contact with others. Pero flies quickly back to his nest, alone. Pero circles above the stream, his keen eyes spotting a turtle in distress. "Help! I'm stuck in the water," the turtle cries out, its plea echoing in Pero's mind. Pero hovers, torn between self-preservation and a burgeoning sense of empathy. Pero recalls a cherished lesson. Helping someone is a good deed. Amidst the tranquil stream, Pero's urgent chirps pierce the air, desperately calling for help. Responding to the call, a rabbit, a deer, and a monkey converge at the stream's edge. In a united effort, they pull the turtle from the water. The turtle smiles at Pero, expressing gratitude for the rescue. Pero smiles back, experiencing a newfound warmth and connection. The animals introduce themselves, revealing the depth of connection Pero has been missing. The turtle expresses its gratitude. "Thank you, Pero. You saved my life." Pero is surrounded by his new friends, the rabbit, the deer, the monkey, and the turtle. They laugh and play together. Pero flies among them, chirping happily. The forest now feels even more vibrant and welcoming.